guys, this is Sherry from Sharebear Cottage, and I'm just jumping in here. Remember that big pile we had of stuff kind of like this? Yeah, well, it's gotten smaller. Have you noticed? And I wanted to show you all the stuff that I made from just a bunch of junk that I had. And I've got more. I can make more junk out of junk. More junk out of junk. Okay, well, as you can see from my side camera, Mister is here joining me today, yeah. And I don't know how much I'll be able to film out of this side camera, but we're going to try and do some. So this is the pile that's left of the pile of stuff, you know, that I had on my desk. That's pretty good, is it not? I think so. And oh, by the way, this morning I made some more faux vellum papers, and they're drying right now. Oh no, they are dry. I brought them in. So here's them. Okay, this is real vellum. Just want you to see. See that? That's real vellum. I'm sorry for my fingers. They're all dirty because I've been working. Okay, so this is real vellum. See there? And this is the faux vellum. Check it out. Not too different, huh? Maybe this is a better one. Let me find a better one. Oh, I think they're all pretty good. Okay, so this is the vellum, and this is the faux vellum. Now, all these papers have been waxed. Yes, I waxed them all this morning. I'll be cutting them out and using them to be making tags and things. So, what I want to try to do is to have some Tuesdays and on, hope you can see me okay, Tuesdays and Thursdays, we're going to have tag days. So I think I'm going to call it TNT tag days, or TNT tags, or TNT tag a day. I don't know what to call it. You help me. Maybe you can help me pick a name. But we're going to do tags on Tuesdays and Thursdays and something else in between. What do you think of that? You think you like that? Okay, well, you let me know. So what I've done is I've saved, and I made all of these things with that pile that I had. All of these. So I thought I'd show you what I've got made. Most of these are fully made. Some are not. This one here is completely done. Put a little linen bow on that. It has a paper clip. God, I can't even think. You can write on the back, or you don't have to. You can just glue this down, because this one has, remember the one that had the 2 pockets? Yeah. Oh yeah, I've got to put a flower in here. Here it is. Here's the flower for here. Okay, so we got to put a flower in there. And yeah, this is the one that had the 2 pockets. And so I made the 2 pockets and a writing space here and a writing space here. So if you want to just put it in with the paper clip, you can put it that way. If you want to just glue it down, you can do that, and you can just use the back as a pocket. Then you'll have 3 pockets all in one place. Isn't that cute? Let's do this one right here. This is going to be a real short video, and I hope I don't have too many that are undone. We don't want that, do we? No. I'll just give this a little bit of the ink. Yeah. And Mr. here, he wants to be in my arms today. I don't know what's going on with that, but I'll try to hold him, and we'll try to get her done. I put my other camera here beside me, hoping, sorry about my belly getting in the way, hoping that we'd be able to, show some things. Let me see if I can get this just a little higher. Just a little higher. Is that better? I don't know. We'll see. If you don't see any side shots, none of them came out any good. Just in case you want to know. It's just an old phone that I have here. I thought we'd try it. Okay, so we put this guy here. Looks nice. We didn't want to leave it naked. No, we wanted the page to have something. Yeah, and then a pocket right here. Uh-oh. I just put that paper over the... So we have it here, here to right. Here's and a pocket, and a pocket. And if you glue it to the end, a pocket behind. Okay, enough of that one. On to the next. Okay, this was one that I had almost completed. I put, what did I put on here? I think I just put this on. Yeah, and then I inked around the edge, and then it's completed. Okay, we have this one here. It has, I was trying to put some, I bought some of these magnets thinking they would be nice because they're so thin. You see that? Very, very thin. Where's my camera? Oh yeah, it's over here. Very thin. And I thought that they would work, but they don't seem to be working, so I don't know. Anyway, it says they were strong, but they're not very strong. So I think I'm just going to glue this on, and it'll be a topper. And then here's the other one with the two pockets, like that. And I could do a little more decorating, I'm not sure. Let's glue this down. So how's everybody today? I hope you're doing well. Oh, I didn't want it over here. Daggone. It's been a good day. It's beautiful outside. Oh my gosh. This is what they call God's country. That's for sure. Such a beautiful day like this. We're going to have these in heaven. Yes, we are. Okay, so I thought that was so pretty. This was a piece of embroidery that I cut off of something. And it's partially decorated, but not fully decorated. So that's a place to write. And I'm going to put a flower there and maybe something there. Okay, so that one's like the first one. I better put them together. Okay, now this one, I wasn't sure, and I wanted to ask you guys what you thought. This one I had made for a flip. That's right, for a flip like this. And I put some of that, I don't know if you can see it, that Mod Podge that has the glitter in it. Yeah, I made this around Christmas time, and this I have painted and coffee dyed the painting, the back pieces for writing, but I don't know what to do with this one. I'm not sure. I could take it apart and definitely make some journaling cards out of it. Yeah, I could do that. But I don't know what else to do with it. So give me some suggestions. I would like that. Okay. Now what do we have here? We have a journaling card. Yeah. This is just a collage of some little pieces that I had left over here to collage. And I just collaged them together. And we can put a plain piece of paper on the back of that. Yeah. Oops, put it in the wrong place. Don't want to do that. No. All right, now this one here was the one that goes on the inside, of your page. And it gets glued down on the middle and both edges. And then you have a pocket here. Let me show you. a pocket here and here, and a pocket behind. So that's how I decorated that. I thought that was enough. Yeah. So that's that one. What's this one here? I just threw it aside. Oh, just some paper I was saving. Yeah, this one I made like a, it's going to be like a tag, but with journaling space. Yeah. It's actually, I did it sideways, but I didn't want to put it in the book this way. Got a little wrinkle there. I wanted to make it like a tag. So I'm going to put it in the book as a tag. Okay, there's that one. This here was just a book page and some paper on the back. I just stapled nothing together. I was just putting staples on. And then I glued this piece of beautiful poppies. Aren't they pretty? Let me get in frame here. I'm so sorry. Aren't these pretty? And then that's the back. Okay. And then this one here is just a plain old pretty pocket with a book page. And this one here is from a catalog with back. Put some sari silk on there. Yeah. And this one too, I put some numbers on these. Had 3 of them in there. And this one here's a pocket. And I put some of my ancestors on here, and a little bit of washi tape behind, and a little tag. Oh no. Yeah, this is a little tag. Pocket. Okay, and this one here was just a pretty thing, and I thought we could just put anywhere in the book. Yeah. And this one here, I made, I did get the magnets to work in this one for some reason. So I put my ancestors in here. It has a pocket on the front. And then I folded these guys down and glued them. No, I haven't glued them yet. Okay. And then you open it up. And then here's a pocket here. Look at him. He's laying down right next to me. And here's a picture here in that pocket. Opens up, writing space and writing space. I didn't want to cover up this pretty coffee dyed lace. I think it's so pretty, I wanted to leave it. And there's a picture of me and my friend. And here's a little tag right here. You know, I have a little piece of, here. Let's put this in here. This will look very nice in here. I can fold it up. Just a little piece of, I don't even know, muslin, I guess. Muslin, not a Muslim. Such a weirdo. There we go. And then these two go through here. You getting tired of sitting up, buddy? Okay. And then that goes in here. And then that closes that way. And then this one has a little magnet on it. It worked through 2 pages. I don't know how I couldn't get it to work this morning. Okay, this one is, you know, it has this policy closure here. And all it is, I thought it was just cute the way it was. And all it is some scrap paper. Isn't that cute? I thought it was cute. Yeah, I thought so. Whoops. And then that goes, whoop, around like that. There we go. So that's what I made, guys, with that pile of stuff we had. And I thought, and I think I told you I was going to tell you about it, show you. And we've done that. So now I've got even more I've got even more here that I can work on. And I'm going to be making some tags out of faux vellum, and I will video that. And so you have a good rest of your day, because I have all these things here to work with still. Lots of little parts. I might be doing a little collage now and then. So, you have a good afternoon. Say goodbye, mister. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, mister. See mister right here? Right here? Right here? See the puppy right here? See that puppy right here? Yeah. Okay, bye-bye.